Input and output device. Input is any data or instructions that are used by a computer. They can come directly from you or other sources. You provide input whenever you use system or application programs. Input devices are part of the four main hardware components of a computer system. Input devices, these get data into a computer. Processor, this does something with the data to make it useful. Information. Output devices, these shows the result of processing. Storage devices, hold the data in the system. The output is processed data or information. Output typically takes the form of text, graphics, photos, audio, and/or video. Output devices are any hardware used to provide or to create output. They translate information that has been processed by the system unit into a form that humans can understand. There is a wide range of output devices. The most widely used are monitors, printers, and audio output devices. There are two types of input devices. Manual input devices. Data is input into the computer by hand, people have to do most of the work. Direct input devices. Data is input into the computer directly by a machine device, there is minimal input by people. Manual devices. 1. Keyboard. There are a wide variety of different keyboard designs. They range from the full size to miniature and from rigid to flexible. There are even virtual keyboards that project an interactive key layout onto a flat surface. The most common types are traditional keyboards, full-size, rigid, rectangular keyboards that include function, navigational, and numeric keys. Ergonomic keyboards, similar to traditional keyboards. The keyboard arrangement, however, is not rectangular and palm rest is provided. They are designed specifically to alleviate wrist strain associated with the repetitive movements of typing. Wireless keyboards transmit input to the system unit through the air. By eliminating connecting wires to the system unit, these keyboards provide greater flexibility and convenience. PDA keyboards, miniature keyboard for PDAs and smartphones to send emails, create documents, and more. Virtual keyboards, display an image of a keyboard on a touchscreen device. The screen functions as the actual input device, which is why the keyboard is considered virtual. Virtual keyboards are common on tablet computers and mobile devices. Numeric keypads are designed to provide calculator-style efficiency for entering numbers. Numpads make it easier to enter large amounts of numeric data. Numpads on a keyboard are typically located to the right side of the QWERTY keyboard and can also serve as cursor control keys. Pointing device is a type of input devices that allows a user to interact with a computer by moving a cursor on a monitor to select icons and trigger desired actions. Remote control is an electronic device used to operate another device from a distance, usually wirelessly. In consumer electronics, a remote control can be used to operate devices such as a television set, DVD player or other home appliance. Joystick is an input device that can be used for controlling the movement of the cursor or a pointer in a computer device. The pointer-cursor movement is controlled by maneuvering a lever on the joystick. The input device is mostly used for gaming applications and, sometimes, in graphics applications. Touchscreen is an electronic display screen that is also an input device. A user interacts with the computer, tablet, smartphone or touch-controlled appliance by using hand gestures and fingertip movements to tap pictures, moving elements or type words on the screen. Scanner. A scanner is a device that captures images from photographic prints, posters, magazine pages and similar sources for computer editing and display. Scanners work by converting the image on the document into digital information that can be stored on a computer through optical character recognition. Graphic tablet is a computer input device that enables a user to hand-draw images, animations and graphics, with a special pen-like stylus, similar to the way a person draws images with a pencil. Microphones enable many types of audio recording devices for purposes including communications of many kinds, as well as music, vocals, speech and sound recording. Output devices, these shows the result of processing. Output device is any hardware device used to send data from a computer to another device or user. 1. Cathode ray tube (CRT) is a specialized vacuum tube in which images are produced when an electron beam strikes a phosphorescent surface. 2. TFT stands for thin film transistor. TFT is special type of transistor to improve image quality. It is most often used in conjunction with LCD displays. Therefore, a TFT display is an active matrix display where each display pixel is individually illuminated. 3. Laser printer is a popular type of computer printer that uses a non-impact photocopier technology where there are no keys striking the paper. When a document is sent to the printer, a laser beam draws the document on a selenium-coated drum using electrical charges. 4. Inkjet printer is a computer peripheral that produces hard copies of a text document or photo by spraying droplets of ink onto paper. 5. Multimedia projector is a presentation device used to show content from a computer or video source on a large screen in order to benefit easier viewing for a larger number of viewers.